यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानामधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहं परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. This is from the Gita, which means whenever righteousness decays and the unrighteousness is on an ascendancy, I manifest myself for the protection of the virtuous, the destruction of the vicious, and for the establishment of truth and righteousness, age after age, says Krishna to Arjuna. Now this is why great saints and great personalities incarnate again and again. Either, like the Bhagavad says, they are Amsha avatars, or part manifestations of the Supreme, or Purna avatars, complete manifestations of the Supreme. Thus came the Sai Baba of Shirdi. Sainath, the Sai Baba of Shirdi, lived in Shirdi and performed his leelas there and blessed it. What kind of a person was this Sai Baba? He had conquered worldly existence, very difficult feat to do by itself. Peace and quietness was what he wore as his robe. Wisdom he had in plenty. Among his devotees were Vaishnavites, Shaivites, people from all religions, castes, creeds and ways of thinking, for he preached the quintessence of all religion. He had no love for perishable things, always engrossed in the bliss of his own self. He had no time or pleasure for things of this world or the world beyond. His heart was as clear as a mirror, and his speech reflected the sweetness of realization. Rich and poor were the same to him. Honor and dishonor he looked at equally. The name of Allah was always on his lips. People went to him with problems and said, Baba, I have this problem, I have that problem. He would open his eyes, gesture with his right hand up into the sky and say, Allah Malik hai, Allah is the Lord, He will take care of. Or he said, Ram Ram, Khuda bhala karega, Ram bhala karega.